Oh my god, guys, I can't believe it. It actually works. 10,000 USDT in just a few clicks. It's amazing. Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a crypto trader and analyst with 5 years of experience. And today, I want to show you how you can get free crypto in just a few clicks. I have tried a lot of ways to get free crypto in the last few weeks, and most of them don't work. But today, I will show you how you can get 10,000 USDT in just 1 minute. It will be super easy, guys. Just follow my instructions. For start, we go to bitstake.su. All right, we need to sign up. Write our login. Then our email, gmail.com. Okay, and create a strong password. It must be strong, guys. Repeat our password. Complete the captcha. And click create account. Okay, we have successfully created our account. As you can see, it's really easy. Let's use our promo code. We enter the promo code secret 10k USDT. It will be in the pinned comment below this video. Click redeem. Yeah, we have successfully activated our promo code and now we have $10,000. We can withdraw it to our wallet. Click withdraw. Select the coin. I select Tether TRC20 as it's very fast and has low fees. And now we go to our wallet. I use Trust Wallet, but you can use any other wallet. It doesn't matter. Copy the address just right here and go back. Paste address right here. Enter the amount and click withdraw. To complete the process, verification payment is needed. Make a test payment in any currency when prompted. It's normal. Just do it once. Click Start Verification. Select the coin. I select Tether and TRC20 and click Proceed. Oh, it's only $50, guys. Copy the address and go to our wallet. Click Send. Click this. Paste address right here. Enter the amount. Confirm and go back. Click I have paid. And as you can see, now our account is verified. So let's click withdraw again. Select the coin. Then again, copy the address of our wallet and paste it right here. Enter the amount and click withdraw. The withdrawal is fully complete. Perfect, guys. Well, let's wait about 1 minute. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe it. It actually works. 10,000 USDT in just a few clicks. It's amazing. So leave the link to BitStake below in the pinned comment. Give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.